Don't be smart. See, the moment I just want start, they take them.
Just like that. You know, say, actually they reliable. Like, if you put hope for their matter.
You're a hopeless person to put hope there.
See, if the president of Nigeria, TINUBU, go fit invest 10 billion into solar power, which hope we will get for power for this country?
You say what?
I said the president invest 10 billion into solar.
10 billion naira.
10 billion naira.
Jesus. And even talk about that one self. Minister of Power don't buy 8 power bank.
8 power bank.
No hope for us to get out of this country.
That means we don't get hope.
I say the hopelessness is beyond hope.
That means now even God try give us some.
If not, time for people.
That means our back for day ground. Now, if we not get background again.
This is what they tell you now. We see all the things since reason and context. But why it be say some people don't have to harness the importance of solar? You get my point.
I get your point.
God own na free. It dey come.
Now so.
Even as them before,
sometimes sun go still shine.
So anyhow it be pass, it go balance.
Yes.
And if flight mistakenly come for your area, mistakenly, but you know they sure say
we know they sure.
It will help you charge up.
Even when it come, now when you want to do that thing, you don't go. Now the pain pass.
That one, and the time you pass. As you just want starter. I don't know if I want start. I know they ask me a question, but I know say now they want starter.
Say for you to fit harness the power of the sun.
Okay.
Most of our things say it took us.
Yes. Say this solar thing, when they call 5 million naira, you go to reason now. Say all these students they're waiting for school. Imagine one do assignment, no light. But if they say get a possibility, they say they fit get a budget for them. So they fit they get solar too for their
school
hostels and all that. So
yes.
That they, So I don't know. You now you didn't do this thing more. So you fit give us more like this. Wait, you gonna be get
lesser solar tech.
Good. Now lesser solar tech won't solve problem.
Now waiting make we come out with that.
So now how we go figure the problem solve because that's all we won't care about right now.
Say if you bust into most solar firms now,
okay.
As you just bring the idea, say see what you want to the billing don't start.
Okay.
And idea we want start from.
Okay.
We don't make them easy. Be say you fit pay as little as 300,000
to get solar.
To get solar for your house.
Actually,
no, I tell you, we can't even make them more simple. You can pay in installments. I tell you, with as cheap as 300.
If this kind of package day, let me say students don't get wahala again. Imagine say 300k package day. You go first pay at installment. Me nobody I say won't carry your school fees pay for power, but you need I'm sure you know this matter. So now if you have 300,000 naira, if you pay like how you go pay the installment now? Because
for instance, now you go choose.
Okay.
If you get 200 to pay first,
okay,
150 to pay first, okay, you will accept them. Okay. If you want pay 100 every month, if you want pay 50 every month, it concern you. So you go check your strength, say see wetin I fit pay, and we can't do them for you.
Wetin we dey find for Sokoto, e dey for Sokoto. Now the point be say no be about the money again because e dey for budget. I just for you to prepare your mind.
Say you want start.
May you just work with God's own power.
And you see one advantage again. If you dey use electric bill for your area and the thing won't cut your neck, solar fit still help you. Yes, okay. Because as the sun dey shine, is there any need to use your electric bill?
Of course, no need now.
No need. If you off your meter, just concentrate on the sun. They use the sun.
Simple.
You don't save money.
That part is very important.
Very important.
Because things don't cost, my guy.
You want buy fuel? You want repair generator? You know how much it be.
Generator my brother. Generator that one I took pass. And as students now, I pass my name when I want to use it.
Okay.
Your muscle don't have no.
Your child herself they blow as you your TV they blow.
He choke. So generator option won't think that side. So let's focus on the importance of solar and let's use solar in our houses.
Beautiful.
That better pass.
I tell you.
Okay, now some people want to ask more questions. I believe if you call in or if it's reach you.
Through the numbers, yes.
Numbers, they consider figure out information.
Yes.
Because they are a very vital fact to the handle.
I tell you.
Only. Waiting the important now with the trash. The next one will still come. But for you, whether there in case you want to link up, lesser solar tech. Now get the Ubenge package. We will help your life. Make you no cut in between the line. When you want come, lights come go. You don't know what's they happen. But now God will help us for the matter.
Now God will help us.
Hey!
No!
Wahala, deal.
Plenty.